Hello and welcome to another video here on Powerdojo. In this video, we're going to have a look at how to find multiple keywords in one column in your dataset using Power Query. For instance, in our dataset, we have this column in which we have the batting highlights of the 20 games in question. We also have the result, but we are only concerned with the column batting highlight. Now our objective is to find out rows where Virat Kohli has hit 100 and India ended up scoring 300 in their innings, which means we need to find out the keyword where Virat Kohli 100 appears and where India has scored 300, which is another keyword, India 300. So these are the two keywords that we're going to use to find out the rows. Now how we can do that is pretty simple. First of all, we need to click on the fx option, the function option over here, which will direct us to a new custom query. As we can see, the change type, which is the previous step, has already been added. Now the function that we want to use over here is going to add a column. So we'll put in table add column. Now this table add column will take in three arguments. The first argument is the table that we need to add the column to. We will make a reference to the previous step, which is change type. Now the second argument it's asking us for is the new column name. So we'll type in the new column name that we want. So in our case, let's type in yes or no. So we'll find out rows where Virat Kohli has hit 100 and India has scored 300 in their innings. So if that's the case, will get results accordingly. Now the next argument that is asking for is the column generator as the function that we will be using in order to input the values for each of the rows. So we need to put in each like this. So in order to check whether the column contains the keyword, we're going to use the function called text contains like this. We'll open the bracket and put in the column name, which is batting highlight like this. And the second argument that we're going to put in is you to perform the check where Virat Kohli has hit 100 like this. So this was the first condition that we need to check. All we need to do is add and where we'll combine the two searches that we want to do is Virat Kohli scoring 100 and where India scores 300 in its innings. We'll type in text.contains one more time. And what we'll do is we just copy this, paste it over here and just replace Virat Kohli 100 by India 300 like this. So here we go. So we have for the first row, get a value of false because India didn't score 300, neither did Virat Kohli score his 100. Now if we have to only look at the rows which were given back as true, you'll see all the rows that are true, we have Virat Kohli scoring 100 and India scoring a 300, which means our power query function is working just fine. Just one thing that you need to remember, since Power Query is case sensitive, we need to make sure that, for instance, let's say if the V in Virat Kohli is not capital, it's small, you might have data sets in which you have these incoherence between, let's say, the name Virat Kohli or in India. So in order to take those cases into consideration, in order to ignore uppercase or lowercase of our keyword, what you can do is add the third argument in text contains in which we'll add comparer ordinal ignore case, where we'll ignore the case of the text. We'll do something similar for the second condition. So either way, these two functions with and without comparer ordinal ignore case will work. So that's all for this video. In this video, we found out how you can search for multiple keywords in one single column using Power Query. Let me know in the comments of what you thought about it. Do not forget to like and subscribe. I will see you in the next video.